Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best tomato knife that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best tomato knife. If you think about it, you could cut a tomato with pretty much any knife. You just want to make a sandwich for your lunch break, so you do not care what those slices look like. You only want the taste. However, if you want to make a presentation, impress some guests, chances are you want your tomato pieces. At this point, investing in a specialized knife will make a difference. Number 5. Solimo Stainless Steel Tomato Knife Set. This set of 3 knives is suitable for daily use as the knives are crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel and polypropylene handles. Main features: made with polypropylene plastic, suitable for daily usage. Length 20 centimeters. Number 4. Tramontina Stainless Steel Tomato Knife 2 pieces orange. No gap between handle and blade for residual food. Included components 2 pieces. Our products showcase cutting-edge design, a fine quality blade and the highest. Main features: stainless steel blade. Length 5 inches. Dishwasher safe. Number 3. Cartini Classic Color Tomato Knife Set Pairing Blue. For cutting soft vegetable and fruits like tomatoes, capsicum, chooks, papaya etc. For slicing and cutting vegetable. Blade thickness ground from 1 mm thick SS. Main features: ergonomically contoured handles. Double-side sharpness. Comfortable grip. Number 2. Victorinox Kitchen Tomato Knife Multi-Purpose Table. Our knives are extremely comfortable with ergonomic handle that is slip-resistant and constructed of polypropylene, making it easy to use for prolonged periods of time. Main features: stainless steel blade. Comfortable grip. Dishwasher safe. Number 1. Wusthof 4197 Classic 5-inch Tomato Knife. Serrated blade of this knife cuts tomato and other fruit skins perfectly without squashing. The knife also works beautifully as a bar companion for cutting lemon. Main features: style composition handle. Lifetime guarantee. Dishwasher safe. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.